participate in the Fiji Development Youth Program. Let's give our Japanese youth visitors a big round of applause and warmly welcome them.
Visit by these 22 Japanese youth are part of the Global Leader Development Program. It's a program that's inherited from the Sheep of the World Youth Program, and it's funded by the Japanese government. Fiji was fortunate to be invited to send a delegation of Fijian youths to Japan to participate in the program. And the program essentially comprises on-board activities on a ship that sailed around Japan over a month-long period. And then these Japanese youth are now coming to Fiji over the next 6 days to experience Fijian lifestyle, but particularly so to make institutional village visitations on their course discussion topic, which is on sustainable societies. So that will be part of their visit to Fiji. The next 6 days will include institutional visits to the University of the South Pacific, particularly focusing on the environmental program. We have visits to villages, 2 of our villages here in the Coral Coast, who are undertaking sustainable development programs, environmental course discussion topics in their own community based in their villages. And we'll also be, of course, extending our traditional ceremonies of welcome to the Japanese youth. We also have that opportunity to share our culture, Fijian culture, with our Japanese delegation, and that'll take place at Wotuolele village down the Coral Coast. You know, these young people in the next few years may also return to Fiji and also decide to return to Fiji after visiting our shores. And the impression that we give them as Fijians may probably one day return with their families to again enjoy the hospitality that we extend to them during their visit here. In fact, this event, this program, Fiji has been invited to this program over the last 10 years. So it continues to foster closer relations between Fiji and Japan, and particularly with our young people, those that will become leaders in both our societies, both in Japanese society and in Fijian society in the future. And so we envisage our relations growing even stronger, particularly when we are bonding with the young people from this early age.